How to reset or recover Gmail account password if forgotten. So if you want to reset or recover your Gmail account password and if you have forgotten it, then you need to simply open up a browser and then you need to go for Gmail, which will be on the upper right, or you can simply go for gmail.com and search for Gmail. Once you've searched, now you can simply go for login page, and from here you can log into your account, right? So you need to enter your email address, enter your email and then click on next, and here you can enter your PIN. So if you don't remember your password and if you want to reset or recover your password, then simply tap on forgot password, and from here you will get the verification code to the mobile number, or if you don't have your mobile number with you right now, then click on I don't have my phone. And once you click on forgot password, here it will ask you to check your mobile device, or you can simply go for try another way and click on try another way, and here you will get the verification code to your mobile number. So if you don't have your mobile number, then you can go for I don't have my phone, and then you will get the code to your email address. So here you can simply go for your mobile device and then you can tap on yes it's me. And once you tap on yes it's me, it will automatically log into your account. But if you don't have your mobile, then you need to simply go for text or call with your mobile number, and then you will get the code. Simply enter the code here, which you will receive to your mobile number. Once you enter the code, click on next, and from here you can update your password or you can change your password. Click on update password, and from here you can change your password or you can create a new password. So once you create your new password, you can go for save password and then your password will be changed, or you can skip this part. You can change your password afterwards, and then you can simply click on continue with Gmail, which is on the bottom of your screen, and that's it. You'll be logged into your mail account. So that's how you can reset or recover your Gmail account password if you've forgotten it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.